At the Jewish Community Day School in Watertown, Massachusetts, first grade students had the opportunity to recreate the Alaskan Iditarod race using KIWI robots. The Iditarod race is an 1,100-mile annual dog sled race that takes place in Alaska every March. The annual race commemorates the 1925 rescue mission in which mushers used dog sleds to bring a life-saving serum to children in Nome, Alaska who were suffering from diphtheria. Over the course of several weeks, the first grade students learned about the race and its various components. The children learned how to read maps, discovered what equipment the mushers need during the race, and researched the mushers who were participating in the most recent Iditarod relay. The students also created posters that included their research on Alaska and the mushers. At the end of the unit, the first graders had the opportunity to integrate their knowledge of the Iditarod race with robotics and engineering concepts by using KIWI robots. KIWI is a robotics construction set that is being developed by the DevTech Research Group at Tufts University and is designed for children in pre-K through second grade. The KIWI robot is programmed using the programming language Chirp, which allows children to program their robots using interlocking wooden blocks that have icons that represent the actions the robot should perform. Each robot has an embedded scanner that scans the barcodes on the Chirp blocks, instantly sending the program to the robot. For several weeks, the children worked as engineers to build and program 11 robotic dog sleds that could carry the diphtheria serum to the sick children in Nome. The students first decorated their sleds using different craft materials, such as markers and plastic containers, in order to ensure that the needed serum would stay on the sled during the relay. After the students decorated their robots, they placed them on different checkpoints along the poster board trail they had created. The first graders then programmed each dog sled to arrive at its proper checkpoint so that the serum could be passed off to the next robotic dog sled. To do this, the students mapped out which blocks they thought would make each robotic sled arrive at its correct checkpoint, tested the program, and then revised it as needed. After weeks of planning, problem solving, and troubleshooting, the first graders made the Iditarod race come to life for their parents in a final demonstration. Their parents and other classes cheered them on as the robotic dog sleds brought the needed serum to Nome.
All right, there it goes. On its way to Nikolai. And it turns.
Woo!
And it heads.
By using the KIWI robots to simulate the real Iditarod race, the first graders were able to engage with the information they learned in class in a unique and hands-on way.